This is PopOS, and this is the brand new frosted glass effect. It's one of the biggest visual upgrades in Cosmic Desktop version 1.3. In today's video, I will show you 3 things: how to get it and how to enable it, and one important limitation you should know before you start. The Cosmic is a Linux desktop environment developed by System76, the company behind PopOS. Unlike most Linux desktops which are based on GNOME or KDE, Cosmic is built completely from scratch in Rust. It's fast, clean, modern, and now it looks even better. With Cosmic Desktop 1.3 and Linux kernel 7.0, PopOS brings a beautiful, brand new frosted glass effect that completely changes the look of the desktop. If you have just installed PopOS, you probably won't see this option in settings yet. To install, open Terminal and run this command to update the package list. Then run this command to upgrade your system. This is a major update that includes many new features, including Linux kernel 7.0. Just press Y, then hit enter. The update will take a few minutes. Once the update is finished, reboot your system. Now let's go ahead and enable the frosted glass effect. Open Settings. Go to Desktop, then select Appearance. Then under the Style section, you will see a new option called Frosted Glass. You can enable this effect for different parts of the interface, including the panels, dock, applets, system user interface, and windows. I recommend enabling all of them for the best experience. At the bottom, you will find 2 sliders. The first one is the frost thickness. This controls the amount of blur. The second one is glass opacity. Increase it for a more solid look or decrease to make the background more visible. Adjust both until you like it accordingly. And that's it. As you can see, everything now has the frosted glass effect. The app launcher, dock, applets, system interface, windows look fantastic. And that's how it looks with the light theme, but personally, I think it looks even better with the dark theme. So the brand new effect usually comes with the performance cost. So the question is, does this one uses more RAM? And as you can see, this is my current idle RAM usage. Now let's disable the frosted glass effect and see if anything changes. On my computer, enabling frosted glass effect made almost no difference to RAM usage, which is great news if you are using older hardware. And lastly, there's one important thing. The frosted glass effect doesn't work in every application. For example, if I open Firefox, you will notice there's no blur. That's because each application has to be updated to support the latest version of libcosmic. So if some of your applications don't have the frosted glass effect, don't worry, nothing is broken, they just haven't updated yet. And that's pretty much it about the Cosmic Desktop 1.3 and the brand new frosted glass effect on PopOS. Let me know what do you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.